Hey space explorers, I'm Maya, your junior astronaut, and today we're blasting off on a super fun adventure through the solar system. Whoosh, imagine your bedroom turning into a launch pad. Your toys become rockets, and the night sky is our map. In the next minute we'll hop onto our rocket and discover the first amazing fact about our very own moon. Ready? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Stay tuned, because the first surprise is a bounce you'll never forget. Bounce sound onward to the moon. Whoa, did you feel that the moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's, which means you can jump 6 times higher. Boing, imagine a playground where every jump feels like a superhero's launch. Maya hops onto a crater trampoline and soars up, down, and back again, just like a kangaroo on a moon swing. That's because the moon is smaller and lighter than our planet. While we're bouncing, did you know the moon is moving away from Earth about an inch each year? It's a slow cosmic dance. Next, we'll zoom toward the biggest star in our sky, our blazing sun. Get ready for a hot fact that will melt your imagination. Here comes the superstar of our sky, the sun with face. It's so huge that about 1.3 million Earths could line up inside it. That's like stacking a mountain of Lego bricks taller than the tallest skyscraper. The sun isn't a fireball, it's a giant ball of glowing gas, mainly hydrogen, that fuses tiny atoms into helium, releasing energy we feel as warmth. Imagine a magical furnace that never runs out. Because of the sun's light, we have day, night, and everything that grows. And guess what? The sun is a middle-aged star, about 4.6 billion years old, just like a wise grandparent in the cosmos. Next, we'll race to the fastest planet, Mercury, where a day lasts just 59 Earth minutes. Buckle up. Zoom, meet Mercury, the speedster of the solar system. It whizzes around the sun in just 88 Earth days, faster than a race car on a roller coaster because it's so close. A single Mercury day sunrise to sunrise lasts about 59 Earth minutes. That means you could have breakfast, lunch, and dinner before the sun rises again. Mercury also has no atmosphere to keep it warm, so its surface swings from scorching hot, like a pizza oven, to freezing cold, like an ice cream freezer, in a single day. Imagine a planet that can't decide whether to wear a sweater or a swimsuit. Next stop, Venus, the planet that hides behind thick clouds. Get ready for a mysterious, swirly surprise. Welcome to Venus, the planet that wears a permanent cloud coat, like a giant, fluffy blanket that never comes off. Its clouds are made of acid droplets, so no one could ever have a picnic there. But here's the wow: Venus spins backward. That means the sun rises in the west and sets in the east, opposite of Earth. Imagine walking backward while the world moves forward. Pretty goofy, right? And because it's so close to the sun, its surface is hotter than a pizza oven, about 465 degrees C, that's 870 degrees F. It's the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. Next, we'll swing back to our home, Earth, and explore why it's the perfect blue playground for life. Here's our beautiful blue marble. Earth, over 70% of its surface is covered by water, which means the planet is basically a giant, sparkling swimming pool. Those oceans hold more water than all the clouds, rivers, and ice combined. Imagine filling a bathtub the size of a city and still having water left. Earth also has a protective blanket called the atmosphere, which keeps us safe from space radiation and gives us fresh air to breathe. And guess what? Earth's magnetic field works like an invisible superhero shield, deflecting harmful solar wind. That's why we can enjoy sunny days without getting fried. Up next, we'll visit the red planet Mars, where giant dust storms swirl like cotton candy tornadoes. Welcome to Mars, the red planet. Its soil looks like rusted iron, giving the whole world a rusty orange glow, like a giant, dusty playground. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Imagine a mountain so high that clouds could never reach its peak. Mars also loves to throw massive dust storms that can cover the entire planet for weeks. Think of a giant blanket of sand blowing everywhere. And here's a cool fact: a day on Mars is just a little longer than an Earth day, 24 hours and 37 minutes, so you could still keep your bedtime. Next, we'll blast to the biggest planet of all, Jupiter, where a storm the size of Earth has been roaring for centuries. Hold on to your helmets. Here comes Jupiter, the king of planets. It's so massive that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter is a giant ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, which means it has no solid surface, more like a fluffy, endless cloud cake. Its most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth that has been swirling for at least 350 years. Imagine a hurricane that never stops. Jupiter also has 79 moons, each with its own personality. One moon, Europa, hides a secret ocean beneath an icy crust. Maybe a perfect place for alien fish. Next, we'll glide to Saturn, the planet with dazzling rings that sparkle like a cosmic hula hoop. Now we're gliding into Saturn's spectacular playground. Its rings are made of billions of icy chunks, some as small as pebbles, some as big as houses, spinning around the planet like a giant, glittering hula hoop. If you could stand on Saturn's cloud tops, the rings would look like a sparkling carousel overhead. Saturn isn't just about rings, it also has a moon named Titan, which is covered in lakes of liquid methane. Imagine a world where the seas smell like a cold soda, and because Saturn is mostly gas, you could float inside it like a balloon. Ready for a tilt that will spin your head? Next, we'll visit Uranus, the planet that rolls on its side. Whoa, look at Uranus. This planet is the ultimate roller coaster. It rolls on its side at a 98-degree tilt, so its poles point toward the sun like a spinning top. That means its seasons last 21 Earth years each. Imagine a summer that lasts longer than you've been alive. Uranus is also a chilly world, with temperatures around -224 degrees C, that's -371 degrees F, making it the coldest planet in our solar system. Its atmosphere glows a soft blue because of methane gas, giving it a dreamy, alien vibe. Next, we'll zoom to the farthest giant, Neptune, where winds blow faster than a race car. Here comes Neptune, the blue giant at the edge of our solar family. Its winds are the fastest in the solar system, blasting at up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, faster than a supersonic jet. Imagine a storm so strong it could whisk a spaceship across the planet in minutes. Neptune also has a mysterious dark spot, a giant storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but it appears and disappears like a magical cloud. And guess what? Neptune's moon Triton rains nitrogen ice, like frozen rain falling from the sky. This icy wonder makes Neptune feel like a frozen, swirling ocean in space. Our adventure is almost over, but we have one final surprise, a cosmic hug that ties the whole journey together. What a journey from moon hops to giant storms. We've explored the entire solar system together. And here's the biggest secret: every planet, star, and comet is part of one giant, friendly universe that's waiting for curious explorers like you. So give yourself a cosmic hug, feel the wonder, share it with friends, and keep looking up. If you loved our adventure, smash that like button, leave a star-shaped comment, and subscribe to Space Explorers for more interstellar fun. Remember, the universe is huge, but your imagination is even bigger. Until our next mission, keep dreaming and stay stellar. Cheerful music fades.